Hello friends, welcome to Sanchita. I am Tanmay De. Today I am going to dictate an editorial passage from the Hindu about TRP. As you know, TRP stands for Television Rating Points. Recently, Mumbai police accused few media houses that they manipulated TRP and earn crores of money. There is an industry body called BARC, B-A-R-C, Broadcast Audience Research Council. Since 2015, this body is the sole provider of TV ratings services for several TV channels on a commercial basis in India. In this passage, total words is 812. Speed will be 80 words per minute. Duration of this dictation is 10 minutes 6 seconds. Now be ready. I will start my dictation after the countdown of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Nothing can better describe the current TRP within bracket target rating points bracket close controversy better than the Hindi proverb within single quote Hamam mein sab nanga hai within bracket everyone is naked in a public bath bracket close decode. Before understanding the controversy, nay scam, let's understand the ecosystem at play. In India, no one wants to be regulated. The judges believe that they can self-regulate better than the National Judicial Appointments Commission ever can. The media, especially television media, swears by self-regulation. Energy regulators are mostly parking places for retired civil servants, few of whom have the guts to implement genuine within single quote open access decode or tariff fixation. Today, TV is perhaps the single biggest window of entry into any home for any business. About 760 million to 800 million individuals view TV in India per week, while TV penetration in rural India is about 52%. In urban India, it is about 87%. Of this, DTH within bracket direct to home bracket close is used by about 70 million to 80 million households. Cable is used by 60 million and terrestrial by about 10 million to 20 million households. About 550 million individuals tune into the TV daily and spend roughly 3.45 hours per day watching TV. The industry boasts of more than 800 channels across various genres. Of the total revenue of about rupees 66,000 crore, about 40% is attributable to advertising and 60% to distribution and subscription services. India's total advertising market is 10 billion US dollar to 12 billion US dollar, of which digital advertising is about 2 billion US dollar according to Dentsu in 2020. What channels are not admitting is that the TRP system has been rigged for many moons now by the channels themselves. That is the nature of the game. Channels cannot play the game without rigging the system. In the TEM within bracket television audience measurement bracket close, and in TEM within bracket Indian National Television Audience Measurement bracket close days, motorcycle riders used to be sent to follow those from TEM to retrieve data oblique install meters and identify within single quote confidential homes decode. Those homes would be given a new plasma TV in vogue those days. In those households, a particular channel would be turned on and put on mute on the new TV, and the people in the house would continue watching whatever they wanted to on their regular TV sets. Needless to say, TEM and INTEM gave different ratings reports to suit different clients. Soon they discovered that it was best to have the cake and eat it too. So they merged. When BARC within bracket Broadcast Audience Research Council bracket close came about, it took over the flawed TEM meters, which are now said to constitute about a third of its own metering. I have unlearned everything I learned in statistics to make sense of the fact that about 22,000 barometers within bracket or 44,000 households bracket close are used to distribute original advertising goodies worth about rupees 25,000 crore. So a back of the envelope and not scientific barometer equals approximately rupees 1 crore of ad revenue, though the geographical coverage is tiny. Don't ever ask how 22,000 barometer can be statistically significant to explain a TV viewing universe of 200 million households within bracket Z tests and p values be damned. They matter only for PhD thesis, not in the real world bracket close. There are other goodies for media buying agencies in the form of fees, commissions, kickbacks, both over and under the table. Even a cursory glance at the balance sheets of the top agencies would reveal these staggering amounts. It is no wonder that no advertising agency worth its salt wants to upset the apple cart and look at a within single quote better decode rating system. In today's world, the hyperconnectivity, can we not become self-reliant enough to manufacture barometers connected to the internet securely, which give us not only channel-wise but also program-wise and hour-wise data? That way, measurement would be continuous and transparent instead of being discrete, periodic, and temporable. Netflix and YouTube not only know what you watched and how long you watched it, but also what else you may like and what you may ignore. Why can't India come up with connected barometers or set-top boxes when almost everything is now down to digital zeros and wants and measurable. What is the way forward? If you take Ofcom or the Federal Communications Commission, the two main independent regulators in the UK and the US, respectively, they consist usually of government appointed officials along with distinguished members from the corporate world. But in India, we all disagree on what constitutes independent. If a government of a particular ideology appoints of a regulator, it will be almost certainly deemed partisan. So, it really comes down to this. Who do we trust more, the private sector or the government? Do we want bark within single quote self-regulation decode or an independent authority established by a constitutionally elected government? This opens up a Pandora box on who should regulate, how they should regulate, and who should regulate the regulators. The hype will end soon, but it looks like nothing is going to change for within single quote हमाम में सब नंगा है decode stop. Now stop writing. If you want to improve your stenography skill, then you must read your script and then do transcription. If you face difficulties to write this passage, then you can practice the given important words outlines, then try to write it. Now I am showing you important outlines of important words relating to this passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. Now I am showing you the passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. This is final part. Thanks for joining us. Bye.